Knock knee or V-knee is a condition when a person stands up straight and the difference between his knees is seen. While this is not a big problem in daily life, it is a big problem for those who want to join the military. The matter is being checked in the military. Because of this, if you walk or run in a normal way, you have to face problems. It could be due to a genetic problem or it could be congenital. In many cases, when the squat exercises are practiced incorrectly, the knees gradually become bent. This problem can be solved in two ways. One is surgery and the other is exercise. Our video will discuss the safest method, which means how to solve this problem through exercise. Be sure to watch the video to the end. The first thing you will do is sleep with a pillow between your knees, because it is one of the most common and effective methods. However, just fixing knock knees in this way will be time-consuming. Along with this, you need to do a few simple exercises. Exercise number 1 is abduct external rotation. Turn to a wall. In the case of the right foot, keep the foot turned to the left. Slowly lift upwards and keep the foot turning to the right. Then slowly lower. In the case of the left foot, while lifting the foot, gently turn the foot from the right side to the left. In the same way, lower down. In this way, do this exercise 10 times and do 3 sets. Number 2. Clamshell. Pay close attention to the video. First, place the foot in a 90-degree position. Then slowly push one leg upwards in this way. Then return to the previous position. The two legs should be held together in this way. And push the legs up as far as possible. After practicing it with elbow, you can do it using your hands when you get used to it. This is how you have to do the other leg. Do 20 reps at a time, 2 to 3 times a week. That is, do 20 reps 2 to 3 days a week. Number 3. Hook lying. You will need a resistance band to do this exercise. You can use any rubber rope if you want. First, a resistance band should be placed between the two legs from below the knee. Then hold the right leg in the same place and slowly extend the left leg downwards and contract. Hold the left leg in the same way and extend the right leg. Try to do it slowly. Number 4. Squat. Just like regular squat, you will only need a resistance band. Apply it a little above the knee and try to sit slowly by extending the two knees outwards. Always keep the knee force outwards. Now hold yourself like this for 30 seconds. Then go back to the previous position again. Then come back to this position. Keep in mind that it is not possible to fix a knock knee in 10 to 15 days with this exercise. And do not do these exercises more than 2 to 3 days a week. Doing more than this can cause pain in the knee. If you find the video informative, share it with your friends. Be sure to let us know in the comments. If you are new to our channel, you must subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.